Okay, so where I left off is we are going to create a function that is going to return a random insult. So this is our function, insult, and I don't need to have anything between the brackets because it doesn't take an input. It's just going to print a random insult whenever I call it. So the first thing I need is, there needs a colon after that, and then it indents. I need my list of insults. So insult list. And this is going to be a list just like banana and all those things down there, but it's going to be long. So I use brackets, and you are no match for my computer brain. Okay, that's my first insult. Here's my second insult. I'm going to hit return, tab, 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 tab. And then, you are no match for my computer brain. Let's see, give up now, silly human. Okay, and comma outside of the quotes, another insult. Let's see, silicon always beats cellular, I don't know, things. That's a really bad insult. Silicon always wins. Okay, and let's see, how about this? It's the dawn of the machine age. You are going down. Okay, and then the classic, I see Paris, I see France, I see your underpants. Okay. Now these are my various insults, right? I've got a list of insults, and you can imagine a much longer list. You can just keep adding insults if you like. Try to make them, somewhat reasonable. You look at my thumb. Gee, you're dumb. Okay. So here are my insults, and now that I've got my list of insults, the program is going to, I have to go back to that tab level. I want to return a random insult. So I'm going to go back to my code down here and see how I did that. So print, I'm going to take this down here, hit Control Copy, and I'm going to paste it up here. Print, instead of food list, I'm going to say insult list, random range, len of the insult list. Okay, so now whenever I want to print a random insult, I can. So if I say print, or if I just say insult, it will print an insult. There's another thing you can do actually too with these. Instead of saying print, you can just say return, which means it will give a value, and then you could say print insult. That might work a little bit better. All right, so let's go ahead and see what happens if I run this. It should give me a random insult. You are no match for my computer brain. If I run it again, give up now, silly human. It's the dawn of the machine age. You are going down. Give up now, silly human. I see Paris, I see France, I see your underpants. Okay, so now I've got my various insults. I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this, and I'm going to put it into my other program. So I'm going to go ahead, check my email, get the program that I was working on before, which is the Guess My Number game. I'm going to get that back on this screen by pasting it from my email, and then I'm going to put this stuff on top of it. So now imagine I actually get it from my email, but in fact I actually put it somewhere else. I put it on this screen right here. So this is the stuff that we had done before, right here. I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to go back to Trinket, and I'm going to paste my code in. Okay, so here's our code from before. Humans guess, computers number, this should all look reasonable, right? But now what I'm going to say is if humans guess is greater than computers number, print, right? And now I'm going to say print insult as well. Print insult, because our name of our function is insult. So print insult, and it needs two brackets around that. And I'm going to go ahead and hit print insult here as well. Okay, so now when I play our game, it should really do a lot of cool stuff. It's going to play the game just as before, but now it's also going to insult you if you have the wrong number. So let's go ahead and play. I have a number between 1 and 100. Guess away. What is your guess? My guess is 23. Too low. Silicon always wins. What's your guess? 45. Your guess was too low. It's the dawn of the machine age. You're going down. What's your guess? 55. Your guess was too low. You are no match for my computer brain. 78. Too low. It's the dawn. You're going down. What's your guess? 88. Too high. 67. Guess was too low. 72. Guess was too low. 74. Guess too low. 75. Too low. 76. I'm really bad at this game. 77. 78. 79. What the heck is the number? Your guess was too low. 88. Oh, 82. 84. 85. 86. Ah, phew. Okay, you were right. My number was 86, and you guessed in 17 guesses. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and I've added yet another functionality to my game, which is the ability to do random insults when I get the wrong number. That's kind of fun. And then we're going to make a couple more improvements to this in just a second.